Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ranita. Let's make buttermilk today in two different ways. Before we get started, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified on all my updates. Note down or screenshot this quick and easy recipe. The first version that we are going to do today is pepper buttermilk. Add plain yogurt into your blender, add pepper and salt. Blend it for 10 seconds and transfer it into your glass. Add water and your pepper buttermilk is ready. This buttermilk works wonders when you're suffering with acidity. You can make this buttermilk even if there is no blender. Just use a spoon to mix it well. Next version is the masala buttermilk. Add some coriander leaves, green chili, ginger, salt and plain yogurt into your blender. Blend all the ingredients together and transfer it into a glass. Again add some water and your masala buttermilk is ready. I hope you like this traditional drink and you'll try it as well. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Also follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.